Hi, today we will discuss a new topic, that is Claisen condensation. It's a reaction undergone by esters. So what do you mean by Claisen condensation? When two molecules of esters react in presence of a concentrated base, they undergo condensation reaction to get a beta ketoester and an alcohol. Or otherwise, one molecule of an ester will combine with one molecule of any other carbonyl compound in presence of base to get a beta diketone. These type of reactions are generally known as Claisen condensation reaction. So we will go for its general reaction. Here I am taking ethyl acetate as an ester, CH3COO C2H5. So I am discussing the first case, that is condensation of two molecules of ester. So again this will react with another molecule of ethyl acetate. In presence of sodium ethoxide we will get a beta ketoester, that is CH3 plus an alcohol, that is C2H5OH, ethanol, and this is ethyl acetoacetate. So this is ester group is the functional group, and this is the beta, this is alpha carbon and this is beta carbon. We will get a beta ketoester. So ethyl acetoacetate is a beta ketoester. So preparation of ethyl acetoacetate is an example for Claisen condensation reaction. Next we will go to its mechanism. The mechanism of Claisen condensation mainly include three steps. First step is formation of enolate ion. So C2H5O minus. From the general reaction we are taking sodium ethoxide. This will split into C2H5O minus and Na plus. So starting compound is C2H5O minus, that is ethoxide ion, will react with ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate, I am writing it as splitting this first CH3 into CH2 and H. This is ethyl acetate. This minus ion, C2H5O minus ion, will abstract this hydrogen as a proton and will be eliminated as C2H5OH, and this bond will be shifted to this carbon, and the product will be CH2 C double bond OO C2H5. So this is an enolate ion or ester anion. And step 2, that is this ester anion attack carbonyl carbon. So we are taking another molecule of ethyl acetate, that is CH3 C double bond O C2H5. This is another molecule, second molecule of ethyl acetate. It will react with this ester anion, this CH2 C double bond O C2H5, and this carbon will have a minus charge. We all know that carbon is having a delta plus charge and oxygen is having a delta minus charge. So this carbon will attack this carbon and this bond is shifted to oxygen, and the product is CH3CO minus. Here it is OC2H5, and this portion will combine bind with this carbon, that is CH2COO C2H5. This is second step. Then third step, step 3, that is elimination of earth oxide ion. So I am rewriting this product CH3CO minus OC2H5. Here it is CH2 C double bond O C2H5. What will happen? This minus charge will be shifted to this carbon and it will become a double bond, and this bond is shifted to this oxygen, and this will be eliminated as C2H5O minus. So our product will be CH3 C double bond O CH2 COO C2H5 plus this earth oxide ion is eliminated, C2H5O minus. So this is ethyl acetoacetate. That is our beta keto ester. So this is Claisen condensation reaction. That is two molecules of esters when treated in a concentrated base will undergo condensation reaction to form a beta keto ester and an alcohol. Example is ethyl acetate in presence of sodium ethoxide will undergo condensation reaction to produce ethyl acetoacetate, which is a beta keto ester and an ethanol. The mechanism involves 3 steps, that is formation of phenolate ion. The first step, sodium ethoxide will attack first molecule of ethyl acetate. This hydrogen will be abstracted and it is eliminated as alcohol, that is ethanol C2H5OH, and we will get an ester anion, that is CH2. This carbon is having a minus charge, C double bond O C2H5. Then step 2, this ester anion attacks the second molecule of ethyl acetate. So ethyl acetate, this carbonyl carbon is having a delta plus charge and oxygen is having a delta minus charge. The phenolate ion or ester anion will come and bind with this carbon and this bond is shifted to oxygen, and the product is this. The third step, earth oxide ion is eliminated, that is this minus charge will be shifted in between oxygen and carbon and double bond is formed, and this earth oxide ion is eliminated as C2H5O minus, and we will get a beta keto ester, that is ethyl acetoacetate.